Student, today I am going to tell you about the function calling. So today I am just demonstrating the function calling with the help of the program. So what is the important point before going through the program? You must know what is the need of function calling. Okay. So what is the need of function calling? I discussed earlier that if we have created any method, function, procedure, subroutine for any problem, so there is no need to create that method again and again. So once you create it, if you have required in future, you can use that method that is called function calling. Its synonyms are invoking, function calling, function execution. Okay, so there are so many synonyms. So second point is application. So what is the application of this one? Function calling I am applying here in this program. The program is to print to check whether inputted number is prime or not. So what is the prime number? Example, you can take 5 is a prime number. Why it is a prime number? Because when we will divide 5 from 1 to 5 divided by 1, yes, it is divisible by 1. 5 divided by 2, no. 5 divided by 3, no. 5 divided by 4, no. 5 divided by 5, yes. If any number is divisible by only two numbers, when we divide that number, as I have taken here example 5 from 1 to 5, so only by two numbers 5 is divisible, that is called it is a prime number. So for the same I have written the program over here. The program name is check, int check, int n, int I, c is equal to 0, f is equal to 0. For I is equal to 1 to n means we have to divide the number from 1 to 5. So n is 5. Suppose here, if n modulus I is equal to 0, yes, c is equal to c plus 1, the counter will increase. When we will come out from the loop, see here, when we will come out from the loop, we will check whether c is 2 or not. If it is 2, then we are taking f is equal to 1 and we are returning f. Okay. So for in case of prime number, what is returning? F is going to return over here. Here we are discussing about the function calling. So what we are doing, there is a function name is check. Here is one main function. In this function we are calling this check function. So for calling any function, first we have to create an object of the class, but we have to pass the value also. For scanner, in is equal to new scanner system.in, enter your number, a is equal to in dot next int, number will be inputted. Suppose that number is 5, the value of a is 5 over here. Please consider, we are taking example. Okay, 5 is a number. Okay, prime, ob is equal to new prime. This is a line for creating an object of the class, because we are calling the function of that class. So if we are calling a function of any class, or if it is not static, so we should create the first class object. So k is equal to ob dot check a function. So what is happening from this line? K is equal to ob dot check a. Check is a function name which is finding out whether number is prime or not. As soon as this line will be executed, the pointer will go at this point. See here. So the value of a is 5. A will be copied over here and it will be checked whether it is a 5 is a prime or not. It will return 2. It is returned f, means 1 in that case. So again returning means again it will come here, k is equal to 1. If k is equal to 1, SOP a plus, it is a prime number. Else if it is not 1, so we will say it is not a prime number. Means if c is equal to 2, we are saying f is equal to 1. So how we are going to identify whether it is a prime number or not? With the help of counter. If it divisible by 2 numbers only, then we are saying f is equal to 1. Okay, so what is happening here? If you see, this is the main program. When the program will run, it will start from here when it will come into this point. So what is happening in this point? In this point, k is equal to object dot check a. So a is going to pass into the n, that is a formal parameter function calling actual parameter. This is a is a actual parameter where it is going to copy it, that is known as a formal parameters. So this function, this is a program for function calling. Okay, this is a program for function calling, or you can say function invoking through pass by value or the call by value. Okay, thank you.